The most important video for the students, this is the Maths 2E Most IMP 2 marks problems with solutions video. Already I posted 3 videos which are related to Maths 2E 2 marks problems, and this is the 4th video. The student who will follow these videos will definitely attempt so many 2 marks problems in the examination paper, and here I explains the most important 2 marks problems which are frequently repeated sums in the all chapters of the Maths 2E. So these are the very important videos, and these are very useful to get very good marks, to get the good score in the examination in a short period. I hope all of you use these videos to get the good marks. So this is the question. If NC5 is equal to NC6, then find 13Cn. So first I take the given data. What is given here? Given that NC5 is equal to NC6. Now I use the formula. If NCR is equal to NCS, then the value of N is equal to R plus S. If NCR is equals to NCS, then the value of N is equal to R plus S. Now I apply that formula here. Therefore, N is equals to whatever R comma S values 5 comma 6. That is N is equal to 5 plus 6, means N is equal to 11. So what is the given question? Find the value of 13Cn. So 13Cn is equal to 13C11. Here already we get N is equal to 11. And to find this value, again I take some formula, that is NCR is equals to NCn minus R. So it is easy to find this value by applying this formula. So I apply this formula here, that is, so this is equals to NCn minus R. 13 minus 11. Here N is equal to 13, R is equal to 11. So NCR is equal to NCn minus R. And this is equal to 13C2. And how to find this 13C2 value? 2 means we take 2 values in the decreasing order, 13 into 12 by 2 means here we take the values 2 into 1. So this is cancelled by 6 times. So 13 into 6 is equal to 78. That's all. This is the answer. This is the very important sum, most frequently repeated question. Next problem. Find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Find this value. We have to find this value. So in the next step, I take this value is equals to 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 is equal to 10C4 plus 10C4. 2 into 10C4 is equal to 10C4 plus 10C4 plus 10C3. And here to find these values, just I take one formula, which is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to N plus 1 CR. The most important formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to N plus 1 CR. And I apply that formula here to find the value of these two terms here. So see here, this is 10C5 plus 10C4. So clearly this is in the form NCR plus NCR minus 1. NCR, NCR minus 1. What is N value? 10 here. What is R value? 5 here. So what is the answer? N plus 1 CR. N plus 1. 10 plus 1. 11C. R value 5. This is R. This is R minus 1. So R is equal to 5 plus, again applying the same formula here, 10C4 plus 10C3. NCR plus NCR minus 1. What is N value? 10. What is R value? 4. N plus 1. 10 plus 1. 11. C. R value 4. N plus 1 CR. Again applying the same formula to these two terms here. That is 11C5, 11C4. N is equal to 11. R is equal to 5. This is R minus 1. So N plus 1 CR. N is equal to 11. N plus 1. 11 plus 1. 12C. 5. First value is equal to 5 here. So answer is equal to 5. Answer is equal to 12C5. The most important 2 marks problem. Most frequently repeated sum. Next problem. Find the number of diagonals of a polygon with 12 sides. So given that a polygon has 12 sides, we want the number of diagonals. So first I write the given data. Given that Just I take that number of sides is equal to n, given that n is equal to 12. What we want, number of diagonals, and the formula for number of diagonals is equals to, the formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. Now replacing the value, so this is 12 into 12 minus 3 by 2. It is cancelled by 6 times. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. That's all. For formula 1 mark is given, and for this answer 1 mark is given. This question compulsory we must write the formula, 1 mark is given for the formula here. In this question also compulsory we must write the formula, for formulas 1 mark is given here. Next problem, this is the very important problem from the chapter random variables. So in the random variables we have only 3 or 4 sums which are frequently repeated. Now I explain those problems here. This is the first problem. So the first question, a Poisson variable satisfies p of x is equal to 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 2. Then find p of x is equal to 5. So first, to solve this problem, first I take the formula of the p of x is equals to r, Poisson variable formula. So Poisson distribution is, first I take the Poisson distribution formula. Poisson distribution is the formula is equals to p of x is equal to r is equals to e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial. So this is the formula for p of x is equals to r. Now what is given here? One condition is given. P of x is equal to 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 2. Now replacing the r is equals to, so p of x is equals to 1. What is p of x is equals to 1? Taking the r is equal to 1 in this formula. That is e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. Just taking that r is equals to 1 in the above formula. And what is p of x is equal to 2 here? Again taking that r is equal to 2 in the formula. That is e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. Means lambda by 1 factorial. That is lambda is equal to lambda square by 2 factorial. That is 2. Now here 1 lambda is cancelled, means 1 is equals to lambda by 2. Therefore the value of lambda is equals to 2. So this is lambda value. Now what is the question? We want the value of the p of x is equals to 5. We want this value. So therefore the value of p of x is equal to 5 is equal to. So what is the formula? E power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial. Now in this formula we have to take r is equal to 5. That is e power minus lambda, lambda power 5 by 5 factorial. And already here we get that the value of lambda is equals to 2. Replacing that value, e power minus 2, 2 power 5 by 5 factorial. And this is equals to e power minus 2, 1 by e square, 2 power 5, 32 by 5 factorial, 120, 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now cancellation of the 8 table, 8 4s are 8 15s. Therefore the answer is equal to 4 by 15 e square. The most important 2 marks problem from the chapter random variables. In the next video I will continue the remaining problems.